Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
So guys, we just wanted to, normally don't do this, but we just got back from Zion and checked into to the lodging that we reserved, and I'm convinced we found a hidden gem here in this area. It's amazingly beautiful, extremely friendly people that work here. You get greeted right away with a smile and a welcome. Amazing. Look at this place. Renovated, newly renovated place. I mean, I have been to hotels. This is a Chalet Motel. So this right here is the Chalet Motel, and I've been to hotels that look. This looks so much better than most hotels we have stayed. The Ramada, yeah, absolutely. So if you watched our video in Redwood, we stayed at the Ramada, and oh my gosh, it did smell, and everything was outdated, and it just needed a good upgrade, right? But look at this, guys. This is the Chalet Motel. It is in St. George. It's just minutes away from Zion National Park, where we just came from. Great staff. The owners work this motel.
That's the owner.
Yes, they're the owners. Yeah,
The
husband and
owner
wife.
Do the upgrade.
Yeah, the owners came in and graciously offer us an upgrade to the room that we had, which it already looked great.
You know, the owner, they do this work. Her husband do this work.
Yes, absolutely, yeah. The owner, he is the one that upgraded this room, and he's working on upgrading other rooms.
Have two rooms right now.
Yeah. But you can tell this is a couple, entrepreneur couple here, who are committed to providing the best service, the best room possible for their guests. And like I said, we normally don't do this, but we had to show you this because they're so reasonably priced. Incredible. And if you don't believe me, take a look at the Google page and search for the Chalet Motel in St. George. You will see the reviews there. The reviews there are flooring, amazing, through the roof. And I can see why. You can tell they take pride on everything they do. Look at this quality work. So, if you're going to Zion National Park, like we did, or you're just passing through, or for any reason you're going to stay in St. John's, check out the Chalet Motel. Amazing. Let me show you the outside. Beautiful, clean. There you go, guys. Super clean. Beautiful. Very organized. Amazing. I'm hoping, it's just amazing. I'm hoping that we can bring more guests to them, because, and for you to enjoy a place like this for a great price, amazing. And we are gonna head to Vegas. We're gonna head to Vegas tomorrow, but on the way to Vegas, we're gonna stop at the Hover Dam. We tried to make it to the Hover Dam once before and we couldn't, but we're determined this time and we're gonna make it. Hopefully after Vegas, we can go to Death Valley National Park, the hottest place in the world. All right, we'll see you. The Chalet Motel in St. George, Utah. And the next Hell's Kitchen contestant. There we go. Thank you. And the next Hell's Kitchen contestant. You or no? You're gonna be next, no? So after leaving Zion National Park and that awesome motel we stayed at that we're definitely going to have to come back to, we made our way to Vegas, and we had a great time over there. You can see Nun posting next to Hell's Kitchen, one of her favorite shows. And after Hell's Kitchen and our day in Vegas, we made our way to the Hoover Dam. Now, the Hoover Dam was really impressive. You know, it's so sad that I lost all the footage that I took from my GoPro. These photos is what's left of what we had, but wanted to make sure to let you guys know and see how beautiful it is, the Hoover Dam. Really amazing. Anyway, thanks for coming with us. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, bye-bye.